Can't find a services widget in Elementor? You're not alone. It's hidden inside the link in bio feature. Watch this to add a professional services section in under 3 minutes. We'll start by opening your homepage. Then locate the link in bio area. Activate the services widget and discuss the pro upgrade options at the end. All right, to get started, go to Edit Home with Elementor to open the page up in the builder. Once it loads, click on that highlighted spot on the canvas to select it. Now, from the template library, click on Link in Bio to see that style of layout. Then choose Services right after to pull up that specific template. Go ahead and click on Use Services widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Then hit Upgrade Now when you're ready to keep going. Last, click Upgrade Now once more to confirm. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.